Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand the two-phase locking protocol, also called as 2PL, which is very important concurrency control techniques in DBMS. So let's start with the definition. Two-phase locking is used to ensure conflict serializability of transaction. It follows one main rule: a transaction must acquire all its lock before releasing any lock. Now let us understand two phases. So the first phase is the growing phase. In this phase, the transaction acquires lock, either shared lock for the reading, exclusive lock for the writing. No locks can be released in this phase. Lock upgrade from read to write is allowed here. The second phase is shrinking phase. So in this phase, the transaction release lock. No new lock can be acquired here. Lock downgrade from the write to read is allowed. And now the most important rule is that once a transaction release it first lock, it cannot acquire any new lock. This ensures proper ordering and the guarantee serializability. Now let's look at the key characteristics. So in key characteristics, we can see that first is guarantees, which means the schedule behave like a serial execution. Second, it reduces concurrency because some valid schedules are not allowed. Third one is deadlock can occur in basic 2PL. Now let's quickly look at the different types of 2PL. So first one is basic 2PL, follows growing and shrinking phase and may cause the deadlock. Now conservative 2PL locks all required data before execution, so it avoid deadlock but reduce concurrency. Now strict 2PL hold all write lock until the commit, preventing dirty reads. Rigorous 2PL hold all lock until commit, making it the safest but least concurrent. So in the conclusion, we can say that two-phase lock is a powerful protocol that ensure but may lead to the deadlock and reduce concurrency. So like that, you have to excel in the examination to get the full marks. This is the quick comparison we are writing here for the better understanding and for the better write-up in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.